comprendre.
means to understand.
In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to understand in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in past tense, we should have the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb.
For conjugating this verb in past tense, we use the auxiliary verb
Avoir.
And the past participle of the main verb, which is
Compris.
now. We have the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in past tense.
I understood.
J'ai compris.
You understood in formal way.
Tu as compris.
He understood.
Masculine.
Il a compris.
She understood.
Feminine.
Elle a compris.
We understood. In formal way.
On a compris.
We understood. Formal way.
Nous avons compris.
You understood. Formal way.
Vous avez compris.
They understood. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils ont compris.
They understood. Group of only females.
Elles ont compris.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples. I understood the problem.
J'ai compris. Le problème. J'ai compris le problème.
You understood the lesson.
Tu as compris la leçon. Tu as compris la leçon.
He understood the instructions.
Il a compris les instructions. Il a compris les instructions.
She understood the situation.
Elle a compris la situation. Elle a compris la situation.
We understood how it works.
On a compris comment ça marche. On a compris comment ça marche.
We understood the importance of the event.
Nous avons compris l'importance de l'événement. Nous avons compris l'importance de l'événement.
You understood the instructions.
Vous avez compris les instructions. Vous avez compris les instructions.
They understood who is responsible.
Ils ont compris qui est responsable. Ils ont compris qui est responsable.
They understood their mistake.
Elles ont compris leur erreur. Elles ont compris leur erreur.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
J'ai compris. Tu as compris. Il a compris. Elle a compris. On a compris. Nous avons compris. Vous avez compris. Ils ont compris. Elles ont compris.
I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table.
We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.